Restoring a classic car can be one of the most rewarding automotive experiences out there, but it can also become one of the most frustrating if you're not careful. Today, we're breaking down the 5 most common restoration mistakes people make with their classic vehicles, and more importantly, how you can avoid them before they cost you time, money, and motivation. Mistake number 1: underestimating cost and time. The number one mistake: underestimating just how expensive and time-consuming a restoration really is. Most people budget for parts, but forget labor, machine work, paint, materials, specialty tools, and the surprises the car has waiting for you once you start work. What starts as a simple refresh can quickly turn into a full teardown once you uncover rust, worn suspension components, or tired wiring. Expect restorations to cost 2 to 3 times more your original estimate. I was once asked what my advice is for staying within budget on a car restoration. My answer was, raise your budget or lower your expectations. The best advice? Build a realistic budget and add at least a 30% buffer for the unexpected. Mistake number 2: starting with the wrong car. It's tempting to buy the cheapest project you can find, but heavy rust, missing parts, and structural damage can destroy a budget fast. Rust repair isn't just cosmetic. It often requires cutting, welding, and fabrication. That's time-consuming and expensive. Always buy the best, most complete car you can afford, even if it costs more upfront. The time and money you save down the line by buying the most complete car possible will be worth more than whatever the savings can make on the front end. Mistake number 3: no clear plan or end goal. Is the goal a factory-correct restoration, a resto mod, a weekend cruiser? Without a plan, you risk buying parts twice, mixing incompatible components, or losing motivation halfway through the build. A clear roadmap keeps a project moving forward and keeps costs under control. I recommend keeping track of every part you'll need to buy in a spreadsheet that you can refer to later. This allows you to plan your build before ever getting started and preventing you from accidentally buying parts twice. Mistake number 4: cutting corners on bodywork and paint. Few mistakes are as visible or as permanent as cutting corners on bodywork and paint. Paint doesn't hide bad prep. In fact, it highlights it. Poor panel alignment, rush filler work, or cheap materials will show through every glossy layer. Paint is only as good what's underneath. Spend time on metalwork and prep. It's the foundation to a great-looking restoration. If you don't feel comfortable painting your car itself, don't be scared to hire a professional. The extra money spent on hiring someone to paint your car is worth it. Mistake number 5: ignoring safety and drivability. Finally, one of the most overlooked mistakes. It's easy to focus on looks, but a classic car that doesn't stop, steer, or drive reliably won't get used. Old brake systems, worn suspension bushings, tired steering components, and outdated wiring can all turn a beautiful car into a dangerous one. A drivable classic is far more enjoyable than one that only looks good parked. Restoring a classic vehicle isn't about perfection, it's about preparation. By avoiding these 5 common mistakes, you'll save money, reduce frustration, and end up with a classic you'll actually enjoy driving. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stick around for more classic car tips and restoration advice.